Hey, what is going on YouTube? Alex here and welcome back to my channel. As you can see behind me here, I just finished washing my truck and she looks beautiful from the outside. But underneath the hood is a totally different story. So stick around and let me show you how to do this the easy way. Let's just see what we're dealing with here. And as you can see, there's a lot of dirt on top of dirt, and this is an accumulation from mainly my off-roading trips and also a little bit from my daily driving. And this is actually the first time I'm washing this in 2 years since I've owned the truck. There's dirt all over the place, so mainly from the surfaces and crevices and especially hard to reach spots. So today I'm using the P21s Total Auto Wash, which apparently works well on any surface. So let's put it to the test and see how well it does. So the first thing that we need to do is locate our alternator so we can protect it. And it's this one right here. So what we need is a simple plastic bag, and that should do it. Okay, so let's just start spraying this baby all over the place. So I'm done spraying the P21s all over the engine bay, and after that spray I have about at least half left, so this is good for another application, and I will be posting the link to that product on the description below so you can check it out. I'm just going to leave this for a minute, let it sit. You don't need to scrub or anything, just let it sit and let it do its magic. I tried to get into all the hard to reach places as best as I could, and we'll just have to take it from there. I just want to point out again, make sure that the alternator is well covered up. We will spraying this down with water shortly, and that should be it. Okay, so now we're ready just to spray it down, and don't use pressurized water. Just Spray down lightly. Wow, that stuff just comes off on its own. All right, not so much here, but I might need to scrub this part, but it's coming off. This stuff really works. All you gotta do is let it sit, hose it down, and let it dry. Okay, so I'm just gonna help this dry up a little quicker. So I got my blower right here, and let's get to that. So let's take a peek at our result. Let's pull out our plastic. There you go. I think it did a pretty darn good job. I'm very happy with the result. So that's pretty much it for our video today. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, it was pretty straightforward and easy to do, and I'm very impressed with the results. So hope this video was helpful to you guys. Please hit like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. So that is it for today's episode, and thank you for tuning in, and until then. But for now, if you can be anything, you might as well be nice.